At least 14 people were killed and 130 were wounded when 2 bombs struck a building in Mansoura, Egypt, early Tuesday morning. 2 explosions hit a police building in the Dakahlya province capital at around 1:10 a.m. on December 24th. A blast on one of the top floors of the building was followed by a nearby car bomb explosion. 130 people were injured and at least 14 people, mostly policemen, were killed. Several vehicles on site were destroyed and part of the police building collapsed following the explosions. Health Ministry officials said the head of the security directorate was among those injured.